Welcome to the Revival Arc Part 2. If you didn't see the last one, I will find your IP address. Okay guys, hello. This is pretty weird. It's really weird just talking to a cactus where he has a flipping emoji face on his nose or his muzzle. It's pretty weird talking to that. But today, we're gonna do a pack opening. But we got some money, my boy. Like, bro, I sat here for 3 fucking hours just playing this game. You know how boring that is? Boring. Alright. So let me see. Let me just show you how long I've been playing for. I got Cactus on Specialist, Pea Shooter on Specialist, Foot Soldier and Super Commando on Specialist. And I got, wait, Z7 Implement. I've been playing for that long, I've lost my shit. Also, I want to tell you guys, please join the Discord. It should be in the description. Kingfish, I love you. Kingfish is the first member to join. He joined the last episode when I said it. I love you, bro. In the Discord, we can play private matches together, like tournament styles. So hackers can't come and ruin your games. So it'll be a lot of fun. And let's talk about EA and just show EA that people still love this game. Anyways, pull a black screen, Blazy, and let me go through the rules. A little bit of a twist. So, I have 16 packs I can do. I need to get 2 characters on each side, plants and zombies. Ideally, corn pea shooter, foot soldier or pirate. If and a legendary piece. Okay. Let me say that again. I started. Okay, so I have to get 2 characters from each side, super rare ideally, and a legendary piece. If I don't get that, I have to drink Thai Dragon Sriracha hot chili sauce with Tabasco brand pepper sauce. I think you guys can hear that. So that's the Sriracha. Wait. That's the Tabasco. I have to have like a mouthful of both these together. I am Afghan, so I should be able to take this, but I don't know. Let's go. Let's see if the packs decide my fate. So we got 550. First one, let's go. Give me something good. Oh, bro, I don't want an all-star. The amount of all-stars I have is depressing. Ooh. Oh, super rare. Okay. Okay, wait. Why are we getting this? Electro Juggler? What the hell? What the fuck? Ooh. We're getting some good stuff. Snapdragon, spiky. What the hell? What's... Alright, please, for God's sake. Oh, we're getting scientists. Okay. What happened here? It's a fucking Goldilocks, bro. What the hell? Oh! Sky Trooper. Okay, that's 1. Okay, we'll take that. Even though it's like probably the worst trooper you can get. Sky Trooper. Oh, we're getting close to this. We're getting pretty close to this. Fire, I think. Oh, Electropy would be nice. Right, these cosmetics are getting out of hand. What the fuck is this? Oh, we got a fire rose, so we got 1 on both sides. Alright. I'm still waiting for a legendary. Oh, petrified cactus. Super rare. If I'm getting close to this, I really want this. This would be sick. What the hell? What happened to bro? Bro got jumped in the alleyway. Come on, give me it. Bro, I don't want to eat. I don't want to eat this at all. My stomach's gonna kill me the whole day. Oh, one more. Come on, just give me one more. I want that. Come on, give me it. Come on. No, I want it. I want the scientist, please. Please. Yes! We got paleontologist. Oh, I just realized something. So we got Sky Trooper, Fire Rose. Oh my god, we only got 2 zombies. Well, you know what we're going to do today? Okay, let me go here. Let me get it ready. Wait, let's quickly go here. Let me get it ready. Oh, so annoying! My stomach's gonna hate me. So we got a Sriracha here. Thai dragon. How do I just squeeze it out? No. How does this work? Does it not just squeeze out? There you go. Boom. Then we get the Tabasco, which I honestly hate the most. Put some few drops in there. Okay. Oh, it smells like absolute shit. Okay. Why are my eyes watering? Okay. So we got a spoon. Oh. I'm dying. Okay. Let's get a match. Every kill I get a bottle of water. Every death I need to drink another bit of Tabasco. I'm gonna die. Alright, let's go. So every death I have to drink more. Every kill I have to get more. I have to have some Tabasco. Done. Done. Okay, we're doing good. No, wait. I didn't see my HP drop. I should be something in here. I put it all in a bowl so we can just. Ah! It tastes so bad. Ugh. I can't feel my tongue. No, please don't say my internet is lagging. I don't see it. I can't feel my tongue. Am I getting objective or no? I'm so confused. How did no, we're not counting that. My internet was dying. We're not counting that. No. Internet? Please, my tongue's on the line. Relax. Oh. Come here, pea shooter. I'm trying to eat that ass. Pea shooter. Hello, bitch. Hello, bitch. What? There's no fucking way. Right, another one. I'm just gonna drop it in my tongue. Three drops is enough. My tongue. I can't feel my tongue. I swear. I don't want any more. Wait, okay. Give me a grace period, please. My throat is dying. Out, mate. I need to get kill. Come here, Pishua. Give me that ass. Give me that ass, boy. No! How in God's green earth am I losing? Okay, I count that. Give me a fucking water bottle. Oh, very nice, very nice. Oh, that's so much better. Oh, I soothes my tongue so nicely. Alright, let's go over here, boys. I'm gonna try to flank one of them. I'm not losing to you. I'm not losing to you. Yes! Give me a bottle of water. No! Oh my god, why is he just sitting there? Yes, get him for me. Alright, let's do it. Ah! Wait, I put Sriracha by accident. Sriracha's way worse. Bro, I can't feel anything. Where'd my tongue go? I don't know if it's good for me. But fuck it. No! Wait, the negative. I got killed and I died. Come on. Positive and a positive equals no. Negative and a positive equals a oh wait. Shut up! I can't feel my tongue. I don't know what I did. But I can't feel my tongue. Come here, boy! Come here, boy! Yes! Okay, that's another drop of water. Come here, bitch! No! I can't feel my tongue. Okay, let me add some more. Oh! Wait, I actually can't have more. I was about to die. Wait, why am I tearing up now? Nice water! Wait, no, right now I deal with this. What? I got bombed. I got suicidally bombed. Wait, I got this. Look around. I win these, trust. Nice. Well, I win this. Wait, move. I'm not trying to die. Wait, what? Where did these... Oh, I actually got him. Wait. Negative. Come on, guys. Come on, relax. I'm not trying to kill myself anymore. I actually can't feel my tongue right now. Where'd my tongue go? Oh, I won. Give me out. No! Yes, actually we got nice. Okay, we can assist. We can that. Push. No! No! Oh. Okay, more. Okay. Ah! My tongue, bro, I swear. Oh my god, my breath actually stinks. But when I go through this for editing, I'm probably making the most weirdest sounds. I'm very sorry, lads. Get me out! No, we're getting water. We have no more water left. I chugged it that fast. Wait. Okay. Wait, no. Wait, yeah. Oh yeah. Give me that cactus. No! Whoa. No! I went for the mercy main. Why? I don't want anymore. Fuck off. My mouth. My mouth, bitch. My mouth. Okay, so we're gonna push it on the right. I can't feel my tongue, I swear. I put so many drops of Tabasco on my tongue, I can't feel it anymore. Wait, I'm probably gonna die. Nice! No! No! Oh, wait, negate. I will kill Anna. Relax, I negated it. Oh, my tongue hurts so much. Wait. No, why did I push it? Oh, my dumb. Now, bun this game. I'm actually gonna lose my voice. What the fuck? Whoa. That's enough for you guys. We did the pack opening. We did the twist. I'm gonna take a shit for 3 hours. Goodbye.